everyone, welcome to Europedia Global and I'm your IELTS mentor Shikha. So friends, in this particular video we are going to cover the very important part of writing module of IELTS, that is task 2 essay writing. In the previous video we have covered the task 1 structure. Today I am going to teach you about the task 2 in a very easy, simple and like you can say techniques that you can easily understand that what is the essay writing and how you need to go with the further proceedings. Let's get started without wasting any time. So yes, essay writing. See, we might have heard since childhood कि 10 marks का essay writing आता है, ठीक है? And there's a introduction, body paragraph and conclusion. This is the ideal structure. So now we are going for the IELTS, that is basically English proficiency test, which is widely accepted globally. So there are a lot of things which we need to be understand. It's a must basically, that is there's a different patterns of writing, American, Britons or like that, and there's the ideal structure in writing module task 2 essay writing. We need to go with the very formal structure because we are getting bands for that. Okay, so essay writing here in IELTS is something like that, which is starting with introduction, right? Introduction basically. Now what you need to include in introduction, as I have just mentioned, in essay writing you need to count these 4 fingers: introduction, body para 1, body para 2 and conclusion. This is the structure, very simple. Introduction, body para 1, body para 2 and conclusion. This is the ideal structure for essay writing and you are getting 4 bands for this, 4 out of 9, if you are following the strict pattern, the strict structure for this essay writing. If you are missing out any of the paragraph or any of the thing, it's not going to help you out, because if you are following this structure irrespective of content and everything, you are directly getting 3.5 to 4 bands. This is just to follow the pattern, this is just to follow the structure. Now rest of the bands you will be getting on your I can say it out, your structure, your content part, basically your understanding of question and everything, right? This is the ideal part. Now one by one we need to understand that what we need to include. The very first introduction, what we need to do is, now see, essay writing basically is a generic question which might accessing your knowledge, your opinions on a specific issue, on a specific thing basically, and it's just checking your English proficiency, how you're going to write, what are your sentence formation, what are your thoughts, and how you're going to put your thoughts on pen paper, basically how you're going to write. Okay? Speaking your idea is a separate thing and writing your idea is a very different part. So you need to see the difference. That's why essay writing is a very important component in IELTS as in task 2. Okay? So this is essay. So introduction में आपको क्या लिखना होता है? Basically you need to paraphrase the question. Paraphrase statement, जो भी आपको statement, जो भी आपको question given है, you need to write in your own language. उसको paraphrase करो, उसको अपनी language में लिखो, उसको simpler form में लिखो basically, so that you can tell the examiner that what you're going to write it down. ठीक है? Apart from that, use synonyms. Synonyms as much as you can. ठीक है? So that we can avoid repetition, we can avoid repeating same words again and again basically, and it looks very boring. But yes, when you're using synonyms, it looks very impressive and attractive that you are very good in vocabulary, right? So these are the 2 things you need to check it out, and it will be 25 to 30 words only. ठीक है? इसको मैक्सिमम आपने 2 से 3 सेंटेंस में कवर अप करना है. You whatever the question is given to you, आपको क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना है. You just need to read the question, understand, paraphrase, write it down as an introduction part, use synonyms and उसको properly पूरा उसकी language, मतलब उसका meaning नहीं change करना है, सिर्फ उसको अपनी language में लिखना है. One mistake student used to be do, student always used to be write one line, I am going to be discuss this in this essay. You are not supposed to tell that. They already knows that what you're going to be writing down. That you need to be must take care of. Okay? So this is about the introduction part. Talking about the two body paragraph. Okay? Since childhood we are seeing that एक body paragraph होता है जिसमें हम अपने ideas लिखते हैं, where we have to write our ideas. Now in IELTS we are splitting it into two body paragraph, BP1 and BP2. This is similar. Right now, this time also this is very quite similar, that we have to be mention our ideas in these two body paragraph, but one by one, right? As essay is the longer thing and lengthier part, you need to be write it down. So you must make it very clean, smooth and understandable when examiner is reading your essay. Okay? So let me tell you guys, this essay is consist of 250 words basically. Okay? And you will be getting 1 hour approximately. So उसमें से 40 minutes you need to be deliver to your essay. Now talking about the body paragraph, you have to be body para 1, 2 ideas. Whatever the question is given, 2 ideas plus justification and example. Okay, you can go for 80 to 100 words in this one paragraph. 80 words is the mean ideal one. Body para 2, you need to be continue the basically whatever ideas you are writing. 2 ideas in that plus justification plus example. Now why I have said to write 2 ideas in each? Overall you have to be write 4 ideas in whole essay. Why? Because 4 is the ideal number, and I believe when we are writing multiple ideas in essay, we used to be ruin it a whole essay. हमारे मेन 4 आइडियाज ओपिनियंस हमें लिखने होते हैं अपने एसे में, उनको जस्टिफाई करना होता है अलॉन्ग विद द गुड एग्जाम्पल्स, करंट एग्जाम्पल दैट कैन एग्जामिनर easily understand. Because 250 is the word limit, we cannot exceed up to 300 or 400, something like that. Nobody is going to be read your essay if you're writing so. So make sure this ideal thing you can follow to write your, I can say the good essay basically. Okay? 2 ideas, justification should be there, plus example can also a plus point in your essay, right? Something you can do for your body paragraph. Now one thing I would like to clarify here, guys, जब आप body paragraph 1 और 2 में अपने ideas को split करोगे, make sure there are 3 to 4 different types of essay which I'm going to discuss in the coming video, कि कौन-कौन से type के essays होते हैं. So you have to be write your ideas accordingly, but make sure you're writing advantages, disadvantages, you're writing I can say the problems, solutions, causes, consequences. You need to be try to be write 4 ideas in whole essay. Do not write 5, 6, 7, do not write 1, 2 like that. If you're writing lesser ideas, you will be going to be lose your band. If you're writing lot of ideas, you're also going to be deduct your band. So make sure you need to be follow the ideal format. Talking about the conclusion part, conclusion is something what you have said in your essay. Whatever the ideas you have written, whatever the question you are writing, basically an introduction, all these things, उनका एक छोटा सा gist, kind of summary, you have to be summarize whole essay in only 25 to 30 words. This is your conclusion. You can say it out. You have to be write gist of essay, the central part, the highlighting part, or something like that. Gist of essay you need to be writing your conclusion part. Introduction, we need to be introduce the essay. Body para 1, body para 2, we need to be go with the main ideas to the question. And number 4, conclusion, that is something we need to be write gist of the whole essay, right? This is the ideal structure and this is how you need to be write an essay. Now let me tell you, $250 is the word limit of writing an essay basically. So you can write it up 250 to 280. Don't go beyond this and do not write less than this. ठीक है, make sure. Number 1. Number 2, in introduction part, basically I have already made a separate video that do's and don'ts of writing part. Just please go through with that. And still I'm again telling you, in introduction you can write I, me, myself for opinions only, but do not write all this first person speech and I can say the generalized essay. Make sure, because you are not writing an article, you are writing an essay, so make the things very clear. Conclusion, you can use the same, that you can give your opinion or you're writing something like that, but in body paragraph, both the body paragraph, in both the body paragraph, basically you are not supposed to write I, me, myself. This is going to be wrong. Okay, so make sure you need to be take care of these things. Why? Because you are writing an essay, you have to be writing a general speech, you have to be writing a third person speech or something, we, us, all sorry, one, everyone, everything, something like that, right? You're not supposed to write I, me, I believe so. Do not write any personal example. Make sure, ठीक है, पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल नहीं लिखने हैं आपको अपने एसे में. यू ऑलवेज नीड टू बी यूज जर्नलाइज एसे, जर्नलाइज पॉइंटर्स, जर्नलाइज ideas basically, and ideations will come only when you are writing every day one essay at least. You need to be practice. It only came with the practice, otherwise you are not able to develop your ideas while you are writing an essay. An essay is purely all about what are your thoughts and how you're going to be write down in the paragraphs, right? So this is about the essay writing, basically what you need to be do and what you not need to be do. I have already made videos on vocabulary used in task 2, vocabulary used in task 1, do's and don'ts of essay. I have already made the video. Just go on your Pedia Global YouTube channel, go in the video section and you can like see the older videos as well. And this time we are covering this on the task 1 we have covered. Today I have covered the task 2, right? This is all about basically writing task 2. Let me tell you the second last thing and then last I'll be going to be discuss. Now you have 40 minutes to be write essay, okay? As total you are getting 60 minutes for attempting your writing module in IELTS. So 40 minutes for task 2, that is essay, and 20 for task 1, ठीक है? So अब क्योंकि आपको 40 minutes मिल रहे हैं, तो how you need to be plan. 5 minutes planning, ठीक है? You need to be go with the 5-minute planning after reading the question. 30 minutes writing, and again 5-minute revision. This must be there to score best in your essay. This planning should be there, must, right? If you are thinking like that, if you are planning your essay in such a way, that is going to help you out, okay? This is the second last and very important part I would like to make you know. The last thing I just want to make you clarify how your bands will be calculated. See, there are 9 bands in overall, right? 4 bands, if you are properly and in a good way you are following your format, four bands for the format. Now 5 bands left, ठीक है? तो 5 band और हम कैसे लेके आएंगे? This is my strategies to calculate band, and yes, this is happening. Of course, this will happen if you are also practicing good. 5 bands left, so that is going to be your content part. तो मुझे एक चीज बताओ, I believe out of 5 bands we can take at least 7 or maximum 4, है ना? 4 plus 4 is 8 and 3 plus 4 is 7. I believe if you are writing your essay in a good manner along with using good synonyms, good ideas, following the format, you can easily attain 7 or 8 bands. This is a strategy only I can tell you out, and rest is your practice. Do practice as much as you can. That is only going to be help you out to write in a good essay. There are a lot of questions, there are a lot of things on your Pedia portal, and I'm your IELTS mentor, so I'm mentoring you basically for IELTS preparation. You can be the part of your Pedia Global for your IELTS preparation, and a lot of other things we are providing you in that. So yes, we can also help you out in everything. So this video is all of the aspirant who are preparing for this writing task 2 IELTS. So yes, in coming videos we are going to be cover more such concept and things. So be there with your Pedia Global. All the very best.